turn off the power. Remove the fixing screws under the pinch rollers. Remove the left side panel. Unscrew the left fixing screws. Move the carriage out. Remove the right side panel. Unscrew the right fixing screws. Remove the printer module from the rear. Remove the fixing screws of the paper out sensor. Disconnect the sensor cable. Remove the old sensor. Prepare the new paper out sensor. Assemble the sensor with the mounting bracket. Connect the sensor cable. Install the sensor onto the printer module. Ensure the sensing element is positioned at the front and clearly visible. Secure the sensor. Reinstall the module back into the printer. Tighten the left and right fixing screws. Reinstall the corresponding printer panels following step 1. Tighten the fixing screws under the pinch rollers.